This is a 2-gang, 2-pole light switch. Now I'm going to take it apart and just have a look, see what's inside, and then I'm going to put it back together. Then the 4 screws hold the unit to the face plate. Now I'm just going to undo the screws. Now a lot of it's been clipped together, so there's about 3 or 4 clips that hold the bottom together, hold the mechanism together. What I'm removing first here is the switch. It's held together by on either side of the switch, and then it toggles up and down. That's one of them, and here's the second one. Now I don't really recommend in repairing these because first of all they're pretty cheap, and the mechanical start of it will be a bit suspect after a few years if you're thinking of repairing an old one. So here we've got a small spring inside, as you can see. There's quite a lot of grease around it to lubricate it. As I said, there's quite a lot of clips that hold it in place. This is a new one, and therefore the plastic's quite pliable. If you're trying to do this on an old one, there's a good chance that it will break because it will perish slightly. So if you are doing it to an old one, just be careful with the plastic. Now these are the details of where the connections would go. Now I'm just going to put it back together again. These are quite tricky to put the toggle switch back in. I have to use a little bit of brute force. So to put the screws back in, and that's it. Just a quick look to see what's inside. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please go onto my site.